Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration. We are going to be using our brand new stamps today. So we have our gel press, so we're going to create a really nice background, keeping the colours very much black and white. And then we're going to be using our lovely witch. So I've got Midnight Blue and I'm going to ink up my roller and then just transfer that onto our bob long. And then using some water and our fan brush, I'm just going to tap a little water over the top. And then let's take a print. Let's see what we've got for the background. Okay, so that's a little bit dark. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit more water. And our kitchen roll. And just add that out a little bit more. Okay, let's dry that off. Okay. And taking our lovely stamp. Then using our Versafine Clair, this is the Nocturn, I'm going to ink her up. Make sure she's completely covered. And then I'm going to pop her down in the middle. So give that a good press, remembering it's on watercolour cards, so it does need a little bit more time just to soak in. Make sure we get all that lovely detail. Okay. So while I'm here, I'm just going to go in with the light. I am going to come back to that, but I just wanted a little bit of glow initially. So keeping that area nice and light, we're going to go in with one of our corners now. We're going to ink up a Nocturn. And now I'm going to just stamp over just over the bottom of her skirt. So again, give that a good press. So now we're going to use the Midnight Blue. And this is our medium-sized stencil brush. And I'm just going to go around the edge. I'm just adding a little bit more depth here so she doesn't look like she's floating, but I don't want to cover up this lovely stamp here, so I am just being careful where I'm using the stencil brush. There's a real sense of atmosphere, isn't there, when you stick with black and white. It creates quite a dramatic effect. It's really, really pulling my eye now into the centre. I've kept this area nice and light. And I'm just going to just touch up her hair in parts. Just bringing through the odd strand. So just by pulling that out has made a difference there. I'm also going to just follow that line on her hat. It's all these little bits now that will just pull that attention out. So, some words. I've got the words here. I'm going to ink up in the black. And it doesn't matter if you only see part of these words. Now, maybe we'll do a little bit of foliage first. I'm going to ink this lovely, lovely swirl, which goes really nicely with the cauldron, but actually it'll add a little bit of something. Just stamping that onto here as well. So now the orbs. So taking the orange, the white, the yellow, of course you can use whatever colours you like. Well, we've got yellow, so we will go back with yellow. So I've just given that lamp a little bit more of a glow, and now I'm going to use the glitter yellow, which is quite nice. This is like a gold. And I'm going to just pull out all that detail in this corner here. Just filling in all the circles, little tiny circles. And then I'm going to add white in the centre. This makes it really pop, I think. There we go. Now, some glitter. I've got silver here, and we're just going to pop a little, just dot a little about. Just some tiny, tiny little dots. I don't want to overdo it now. I just want it to be nice and subtle. And there we have it. So I didn't actually need that much colour on there at all. So it just goes to show really how simple of a background we can create. And it still looks fab. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves anyway. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.